In this first disturbing and daring Ring doorbell footage, two figures, concealed in hoodies and masks, approach a house with sinister intentions. With alarming efficiency, they break into the residence, make off with a valuable item, and swiftly vanish from the scene. In this nerve-wracking Ring doorbell footage, a lady, apparently undeterred by the time of day, is caught in the act as she crawls out from someone's porch, having stolen a package left outside the house. With swiftness and apparent nonchalance, she makes her escape, retreating to her car and speeding away. In this swift and daring Ring doorbell footage, we witness a man on a mission. With lightning-fast reflexes, he dashes to the porch, snatches a package, and makes a hasty retreat to a waiting car, all in a matter of seconds. In this tense and decisive Ring doorbell footage, a man is caught in the act as he attempts to steal a valuable package left outside the front door. But before he can make his escape, the homeowner intervenes, commanding him to drop the package and leave the property immediately.
Yes, can you please leave it right there? Thank you so much.
In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, a man with suspicious intentions lurking on someone's property. His initial goal is to find a way to break into the house, but when his efforts prove unsuccessful, he resorts to searching the mailbox for any potential valuables to seize. In this audacious and unexpected moment, we witness a man who boldly takes a seat on someone's porch, determined to claim a valuable package that was delivered to the homeowner. His curiosity gets the better of him as he unboxes the package, assessing its contents with intentions unknown. Ultimately, he decides to make a swift exit with the package in hand. In this harrowing and dangerous moment, a hooded figure approaches a parked car, armed with a threatening weapon, and brazenly begins searching for valuables. However, the car owner, alert and courageous, notices the intrusion and shouts, forcing the intruder to hastily flee from the scene.
Get the out of there!
In this nail-biting Ring doorbell footage, we observe a brazen intruder gaining access to someone's porch, seemingly unaware that they're under watchful eyes. The thief begins to snatch various items, including a stroller, only to have their plans disrupted when the homeowner intervenes. With determination in their voice, the homeowner orders the thief to return the stolen property, threatening to involve the police. Witness this dramatic encounter as the porch pirate makes a hasty decision, returning one item and escaping with the rest. In this swift and audacious Ring doorbell footage, a lady, with her sight set on a valuable item, accesses someone's porch and swiftly grabs it. With haste, she flees the scene, determined not to be caught by the homeowner. In this fast-paced and daring Ring doorbell footage, we witness a bold act of package theft. A lady, seemingly on a mission, drives to a particular neighborhood, leaps out of her car, and sprints to someone's front door, where a valuable package awaits. With lightning speed, she snatches it and races back to her car, making a hasty escape. In this audacious and underhanded Ring doorbell footage, a lady who operates under the cover of darkness. With unwavering determination, she strides up to someone's front door during the late hours of the night, brazenly swiping all the packages left outside. Without hesitation, she makes a swift exit. In this surprising and puzzling Ring doorbell moment, we witness a lady who boldly approaches someone's front door during broad daylight with apparent intentions to gain entry. However, her confidence quickly turns to shock and confusion as she discovers the door securely locked. In an abrupt change of plans, she hastily retreats from the scene. In this stealthy and audacious Ring doorbell moment, we witness a man with dubious intentions. He tiptoes to the front door, silently seizing a package that clearly isn't meant for him. With lightning speed, he makes a swift escape before the homeowner even has a chance to intervene. In this audacious and swift Ring doorbell moment, a man who operates with remarkable confidence. He approaches someone's porch with the clear intention of seizing a valuable item left unattended. Without hesitation, he snatches the item, stashes it in his car's trunk, and speeds away, managing to evade capture. In this surprising and unusual Ring doorbell moment, a man, seemingly with a peculiar agenda, ventures onto someone's porch and makes off with a shopping cart. His actions are swift and decisive as he snatches the cart and departs from the scene. In this intense and dramatic Ring doorbell clip, a man boldly leaps over the fence with intentions to pilfer valuables, but the homeowner intervenes, ordering him to return whatever he has taken. Realizing the gravity of the situation, the intruder swiftly escapes by leaping over the fence once again, as the homeowner alerts the police to the unfolding events.
I just looked at the bike, sorry. My bad.
Gotta leave the house, the police are on the way.
In this intriguing and cautious Ring doorbell clip, a woman, appearing to be in distress, rings the doorbell and explains that she has been driven to the location and is lost. However, the homeowner, prioritizing their safety, decides not to assist or step out of their home.
Hello?
Hey, some guy gave me a ride to here and I don't know my way back.
What are you looking for?
Langmeyer Road, and I don't know my way back.
Just go to the light and make
I know.
Go to the light and make a left on Bailey.
All right, thank you.
Welcome. Yo, hon, somebody's at the door.
In this enigmatic and unsettling Ring doorbell scene, we observe a man wandering through a residential area under the cover of night. He carries a bag as he surveys the properties, leaving the homeowners unsure of his true intentions. In this concerning and covert Ring doorbell footage, a man under the veil of darkness, trespassing on someone's porch. His intentions are suspicious as he meticulously searches the mailbox, ultimately taking away important documents. In this surprising and concerning Ring doorbell footage, we witness a lady making a choice that could have serious consequences. Late at night, she arrives at a location, exits her car, and leaves it running with the doors wide open. Her disregard for her car's safety could inadvertently provide an opportunity for car thieves. In this mysterious and unsettling Ring doorbell footage, a parked car falls victim to a thief who brazenly smashes the door glass to gain access. The car owner, determined to seek justice, promptly calls the police to investigate the crime.
Hi.
Hi. Sorry to bother you so early in the morning.
No worries.
I saw you had a camera on your door.
Yeah.
By chance, does that record?
When there's like someone at the door or motion, yes.
Okay. It wouldn't, by any chance, catch anything like in that general area? That you can see your neighbor has his window smashed out on his...
Oh my god. Wait, I can't wait. Which one? Which neighbor am I?
It's that black key right there.
Oh my god. I could look.
If you could,
yeah, give me a second.
I'll be right here.
Yeah.
It happened sometime last night.
Yeah, let me see if I can get a picture.
Thank you.
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.